Hello, welcome back to another video. We already know that how to install SQLite in your system. So if you don't know, watch our previous video. Now in this video I'll show you how to create a database inside the SQLite. So we already know that using the cd command we can reach this particular folder. But here what I have to do, so as you can see that we are inside our desktop database folder, and inside this folder we will create our database. Okay, and we have to do all our operation in this particular folder, so you can change accordingly as your requirement. But for this tutorial purpose I'll create the database in this particular folder. And if you want to go to this particular folder and if you want to reach through the cmd, there is a shortcut process. You can use this one, or you can use the cd command to reach this particular folder. Now what we have to do, we have to create the database. So to create the database you have to use the SQLite3 command, and after that what you have to do, you have to give your database name. Okay, for example I can give database name as a mydb.db. okay, and if you'll create enter, then as you can see that we are not getting any kind of error, but it is showing the SQLite version and it is talking about to get the help you can use the .help command. Okay, but your one question may arise that I have created the database, but where is the file in this folder? It is not showing any file, right? So if you want to see the file inside this particular directory, what you have to do, you have to use the database command. Okay, and then you have to press enter. So when you will click .database enter, then you will get this particular line, for example main : and then you can see a particular path, and you can see mydb.db read and write access is there, and this is a database path, file path, and immediately this particular file will be created, and the file type you can see the database file, and nothing is there, that's why it's a 0 KB, and you can add your table inside this particular database, right? So if you want to create one more database, what you have to do, you have to use the exit command, right? And then you have to go back to that particular cmd folder once again to create one more database. So what we have to do, we have to give the SQLite3 database command, and then you can give your database name. So for example I can give the test as a test purpose and give the database as a db, and then I can use the database name .db. okay, so as long as you will create click the enter button, you can see that it is also talking about that SQLite version, and then again you can see the same command over here. So if you want to see the database, so it is present in the in memory, so whenever you will use the .database command, you can see the testdb is there, and it is actually showing in your particular folder over here that testdb is there. So in this way you can create a database. So if you want to use the particular database mydb1, then what you have to do, you have to open it. Okay, and then you have to give the name of your database, for example mydb, and then you can press enter to open that particular database. Okay, so whenever you will open it, it will creating a temporary file, and you can operate on it, and you can create the table inside it, you can insert the data. So in this video I have just shown that how you can create database inside your database folder, and in the next video I'll show you how to create a table and how you can select it and insert the data. Okay, so thanks for watching this video, see you in the next one. Till then, take care, bye bye.